Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Professor Urur Sadat. Today we will discuss Altaf Sheikh's travelogue, A Voyage to the City of Line, translated by Professor Manoj Kumar. This piece takes us on a journey to Singapore, a modern city often called the City of Line. Through his observation, Altaf Sheikh not only described the beauty, cleanliness, and discipline of Singapore but also highlights important lessons that we can apply in our own lives and society. Now, let's see its summary. Altaf Sheikh, a renowned Pakistani traveler, writer, seafarer, narrates his journey to Singapore, which is poetically called the City of Lines. The travelogue blends vivid description, cultural observations, and personal experiences, giving the reader both entertainment and knowledge. The narrative begins with his arrival in Singapore, where he is struck by the city's cleanliness, discipline, and orderliness. He compares the highly organized environment with the chaotic condition of many South Asian cities. The reader is made aware of the contrast between developed and underdeveloped nations. Sheikh describes Singapore's modern infrastructure, wide roads, tall buildings, efficient transport, and disciplined traffic. He also highlights the government strict law, heavy fines, and the sense of responsibility among the citizens that maintain the city's beauty and efficiency. The writer then move on to cultural and historical aspects. He explains that Singapore is a multi-ethnic society where Chinese, Malay and Indian communities live together, contributing to the country's progress. The name Singapore itself derives from Singapura, meaning Lion City. This cultural richness leaves a strong impression on him. In his observation, Sheikh notes the harbor and shipping activities. Since he himself is a sailor by profession, he admires Singapore's development as a global trading hub, emphasizing its economic rise despite limited natural resources. The story also reveals the writer's deep respect for education, discipline, and hard work, which he identifies as the reasons behind Singapore's success. Throughout the journey, he sprinkles light, humor, and personal anecdotes, which make the travelogue lively and engaging. At the same time, he indirectly gives a message to readers in Pakistan. Progress and prosperity come through law, order, honesty, education, and discipline. The central idea of A Voyage to the City of Light is that nations progress through discipline, honesty, and collective responsibility, not merely through wealth or resources. Singapore, though small and resource poor, became a lion city due to its hardworking citizens and strict law. And now see its main points. Singapore is known as the City of Lions. The writer is impressed by its cleanliness, order, and discipline. Strict laws and responsible citizens keep the city organized. Multi ethnic society, Chinese, Malay, and Indians live together peacefully. Importance of education, law, and discipline for national progress. Comparison between developed Singapore and underdeveloped South Asian countries. Message: Nation rise with honesty, law, order, and discipline. In the end, A Voyage to the City of Light is not just a travel story, it's a lesson for us. Altaf Sheikh shows that nation progress through education, discipline, law, and honesty, rather than natural resources alone. My message to you is that if we practice discipline, respect, rules, and value education, we too can play our part in making our country prosperous. Remember, the success of a nation begins with the character of its people.